Let's explore China. China is a big place. China is in Asia. A family is small in China. The new year is in January. It is 15 days long. Amazing. Kung Fu is from China. People use Kung Fu to fight. Writing paper was made in China. Toilet paper was made in China. A compass is from China. A compass tells which way to go. China has hot air balloons. China has ice cream. Yummy. China has great food. Look, the Great Wall of China. It is very long. China has very tall buildings. They are close to each other. China has a glass elevator. It is on a cliff. China has fast trains. China has clay art. The clay army is old. China has big pandas. They live by the river. China has many rivers. The Yellow River is long. The waterfall is big. It is at Yellow River. China has green lakes. The water is green. Wow. China has stone forest. The forest is full of rocks. People in China make many things. They share with the world. Cool.